So guys, we are all here now for a new web series. I'm starting for first for beginners of HTML. So I will clear all the concepts of HTML in this web series. Means YouTube series of HTML. I will be creating it. After completing the HTML series, I will be creating CSS, and after that JavaScript. It is very easy, friends. So today I will start in English. If you want in English or Hindi or Marathi, please say in this comment section. So I will start today's session. To install, you have to install Sublime Text 3 in your computer. It is very useful for coding. As I have downloaded, I will open it. Okay. I am opening a new file. So here it is untitled. So first we will click here control plus s. Control plus s, it will open our library, means computer my computers. So you have to select where you have to save it in documents and name it in text.html. Save it as htm or html, but I will save it in html. Okay. And it is very important to write html. So click on save and it will be saved as html. Now will start our coding. So the new generation of html is html5. So for the special thing about html5 is that the browser, if the old generation will, the browser is not getting considered, that it is sometimes confused that it is html file or not, but html file have some special characteristics. So he configure the browser and it says that it is an html file. So first you have to write this bracket with one exclamatory mark and write here doc type. Will write directly. I will show you how all the things. Writing HML. This is a this is HTML5 characters, that it will configure the browser and say it is an HTML5 file. Title body. So HTML character tag, HTML starting tag. If we have to end this tag, we have to give a slash here. Sorry, enter. Okay, one time. HTML tag, we have to keep head tag. Same that one. Close it and end it. It will automatic configure it. We have to enter one time. Title. my first website. We'll click on Control S, and when Control S, then we have to right click on this page. So select open in browser. This will open your HTML file in browser. First website, and your where the location of file, it is said index.html. I have put it in my computer documents index.html. So it will say that. Then again go in Sublime Text. Here finish after it is completed now. So for its beginner, after head tag, here body tag. Body tag is the main tag in which in the body tag, the whatever is typed in body tag, it will show on this screen. Head tag, it will show on this. We'll go again in Sublime Text. We will click body. Body, yeah. Enter. There are four fonts. There are six types of font in this. One is bold. In bold variations, there are six bold variations. So bigger one is H1 tag. So I will type H1 tag. Write my first website. Type here hello world. Next I will type Control S. Open our browser. Reload it. Here how it's come hello world. That only we will type like six tags. Copy it and paste it for 5 times. Copied. I will change the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Five, 6. Next I will type Control S. Click Control S. Control plus S. So we will go in browser and restart it. I mean reload this page. So this is the font variation. This is H1 tag. This is H2 tag. This is H3 tag. So in today's video, this will only for H1 tags only font. In tomorrow's video, we will continue for marquee text marquee. In this scrolling, we show one example of marquee text. Marquee text I have added is CSS. It's my name Prajwal. It will scroll like this, but I will teach you plainly. It will scroll it from here to here, here to here, here to here, or here to here. Okay. Thank you.